Here we go with day 4 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2023, and it is a Festive Pit Droid. The DUM, or DUM, the DUM series Pit Droid was a model of repair droid manufactured by Servo Droid Incorporated prior to the invasion of Naboo. They were initially designed for maintaining pod racers, and pit droids were cheap, expendable, but incredibly durable repair droids. Pit droids were about 1.2 metres tall, but they had the ability to fold into a compact form when not in use. This feature could be toggled by "tap them on the nose," tapping their nose as Anakin Skywalker said in episode 1. They were able to lift objects several times their own weight, and they were encased with a hardened alloy that allowed them to endure the harsh weather on Tatooine and other inhospitable planets. Pit droids were programmed with a sense of urgency, though their minimal logic processors prevented them from completing the more complex tasks. If one could not reach the system it needed to work on, the unit would get other pit droids to make an unstable and haphazard droid pyramid, often leading to disaster. Pit droids were also fearless when faced with unsafe tasks, going as far as to be happy to throw themselves into danger. After the fall of the Galactic Empire, the manager of Hangar 3-5 at Mos Eisley, Peli Motto, used 3 pit droids to make repairs on docked ships. And despite Mando's dislike of droids, they were used to help modify his N1 starfighter. They were quite sought after following the demise of the Galactic Empire, but as Peli said, "You know, it's costing me a lot of money to keep these droids even powered up." Eventually it got to the point where their own maintenance cost outweighed their usefulness. Unless of course it was to cheer people up during the Christmas festive season. He does look good.